and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fade the picture in Microsoft Word. So first, open Microsoft Word, then go to the Insert tab and go to Shapes and select a shape. Let's select a rectangular shape. Now right-click on the shape and go to Format Shape. Then go to the Fill and Line tab and click on Fill. Then select Picture or Texture Fill and click on File to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online to insert a picture from online sources. So let's click on Online to insert an online picture. Select the picture you want to insert. So let's select this one. Then click on Insert. Wait a few seconds. Now, you can fade the picture by dragging the slider, the transparency slider. Or you can enter a value from 0 to 100. Let's enter 40, for example. Now go to Line and select No Line. And you can go to Format under Picture Tools, Crop, then select Fill to adjust your picture. Or you can select Fit to fit the picture inside of the shape of the rectangle. You can add some effects like a shadow, a reflection, glow, soft edges, 3D format, 3D rotation, and artistic effects. And once you're done, just click outside of the picture. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.